on these two cases. I'll ask you how you want to plead, true or not true. I understand you're going to plead true, but then I'm not going to revoke you, okay?
Okay.
All right, give me a second for YouTube Live to turn on where I have to manage the audio on that. I guess it's off. Okay. Welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause numbers 2017 CR 2398W and 2018 CR 11981W. State of Texas versus Mark Cerna II. We're here in each case for a motion to enter adjudication of guilt and a supplemental motion to each of those as well. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. The time now is 10:26 a.m. on the 29th day of June 2021. These proceedings are official. They're on the record and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed not to record the proceedings, and all our counsel and those present are instructed to act as though you were in court, and all are instructed not to record the proceedings. If I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Austin Stout for the state.
Douglas Catmeyer for Mr. Cerna.
Sir, are you the same Mark Cerna II who in cause number 2017 CR 2398W is placed on deferred adjudication on March 8th, 2017 for credit card abuse of the elderly? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Then are you also the same Mark Cerna II who in 2018 CR 11981W was placed on deferred adjudication on February 14th, 2019 for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And state, do we have an agreement?
We do, Your Honor. The agreement is to deny the state's motion to continue the defendant on deferred adjudication, to extend his term of community supervision by 1 year, and to alter many conditions to include the substance abuse felony punishment facility. And this agreement is as to both cause numbers.
Okay, Mr. Catmeyer, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, sir.
We're going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you a document from each case, sir. It's called the defendant's consent to appear by video conference. This is in 2017, CR 2398W. I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours, sir?
Yes, sir.
And then I'm going to switch over to the same document, the consent to appear by video conference, but this is in 2018, CR 11981W. Again, I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signatures. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing the consents in each case, you're telling me you understand normally we do these cases live and in court, but that you're consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you sign these?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consents and I make them a part of the record. We're going to go into share screen again, and I'm going to show you the motions to revoke, or rather motions to enter adjudication of guilt in each case. This is 2017 CR 2398W. It's 2 pages. Let me scroll through for you so you can see it. And then I'm now scrolled to 2018 CR 11981W. Again, it is also 2 pages. So I'll scroll through so you can see it. Then for each case, there is a supplemental motion to them as well. And I'm showing those supplemental motions to you as well by scrolling through to them. My questions are you familiar with these documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over these with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand them?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Catmeyer, do we waive reading of the motions?
Do, Your Honor.
I'm going to get out of share screen. Mr. Cerna, to the allegations listed in those motions that you violated conditions of community supervision, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Is that to all motions in each case?
Yes.
You understand, just by pleading true, I can find out those violations are true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes.
I find the violations are true in each case. However, in each case, I'm going to deny the motion, and instead, I'm going to alter and amend your conditions of community supervision For each case, you are extended 1 year. In each case, you will go to our substance abuse felony punishment facility. Is there anything else from either side in regards to the motions?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Serna, I want to tell you, good luck, sir. Please don't look at this as punishment. It's just some treatment for you that we think will help you. I'll have the sheriff take you into custody because you are at our courtroom. The rest of us are all on the computers on video. But again, I wish you the best of luck. There being nothing else from either side, then these matters are concluded. We are in recess, and I'm turning off YouTube Live.